Hey guys, welcome to TechBee. In this video, we're going to look after the upcoming Google phone, Google Pixel Fold. Let's get started. Foldable devices started to hit their strike in 2020 with the likes of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, Z Fold 2, and Z Flip. We also witnessed Huawei Mate 10s and Moto Razr 5G, all showing great promise for new things to come. Rumors are appearing that Google could be preparing its own entry into this emerging market with Google Pixel foldable device. In this video, we're going to discuss about all the news and speculations about this exactly new device. Moving to the design, there have been rumblings of Pixel foldable phone for a few months now, with the Korean news outlet The Elec writing back in February that the Google is sourcing flexible OLED panels from Samsung for its upcoming foldable phone. Google meanwhile has requested Samsung Display develop a foldable OLED panels around 7.6 inch in size. Like Samsung's own Galaxy Z Fold 2, the screen on the upcoming Pixel Fold is said to be an infolding design that closes inward. The 7.6-inch screen size is identical to what Samsung used on the Z Fold 2, so it's possible that Google may be using the same panel for the Pixel Fold. We also heard that the Pixel Fold will likely use the same ultra-thin glass that differentiates the Galaxy Z Fold 2 from the other foldable device. While looking after the specs, it's too early to predict anything on the specs design. Google switched up its strategy with 2020 flagships, opting to use Qualcomm's mid-range Snapdragon 765G chipset in the flagship device, Snapdragon 865 to the lower cost. The move worked particularly well for devices like Pixel 4a 5G and even in Pixel 5, which undercut Samsung by a significant margin. We may see a similar move for the Pixel Fold. The key highlight of any Pixel phone is the camera, and it will be interesting to see if Google changes its formula for the Pixel Fold. Google relies primarily on software to deliver outstanding photos. Pixel phones have used the same hardware sensor for last 3 years, but we are set for a change this year. Pixel 6 leaks have hinted at additional cameras with higher resolution sensors, and it is likely the new technology could make its way to the Pixel Fold as well. If cameras are the main differentiator for Pixel, the software is a close second. Google made a few additions to Android over the course of the last year to better facilitate foldable screens, and it will be interesting to see what new features it brings to the table. We haven't touched on this front from Android 12, but that may change with forthcoming builds. Samsung has a global presence and sell its phones in over 100 countries, but Google has taken a more measured strategy. The Pixel 5 is available in just 9 markets: Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Ireland, Japan, Taiwan, UK, and US. It's unlikely that the Pixel Fold will be sold outside of these markets, and Google may even choose to limit initial availability for its first foldable phone. For instance, the Google Pixel 5a will be sold in US and Japan, and it is feasible the Pixel Fold will be limited to these markets as well. Right now, the most credible information regarding the release date of Google Pixel Fold is sometime at the end of 2021 or early 2022. That news was corroborated by display analyst Rose Young, who also suggested Q4 21 launch for the Pixel Fold. The timing makes sense because Google traditionally unveils its flagship device at an event in October. The Pixel 5 was introduced on September 30 and went on a sale few weeks later. We could see a Pixel Fold make its debut at this year's event. The Android 12 beta also reinforced the existence of Pixel Fold, giving us the model number of the device GPQ72. Samsung released the Galaxy Z Fold 2 for $1,999, but the manufacturer has a generous trade-in that provides up to $750 offer when upgrading to the foldable device. Of course, Google's trade-in policy for its Pixels haven't been anywhere as good as it, but shift to a mid-range hardware with 2020 Pixel means we could see a similar strategy for the Pixel Fold. Google has never believed in offering the best hardware specs, instead relying on software optimization to deliver a great user experience. That may extend the Pixel Fold as well, and in doing so, make the foldable phone that much more affordable when compared to its rivals. Like you guys, I'm also awaiting to get the latest smartphone technology in the hands. And that's it for now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell button. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys.